Alright guys, so here's how you modify your water pump. If you want to get rid of your heater core tube and nipple, so of course you take your water pump off, and this is going to be like the imaginary version. Get it in your drill press, get it lined up. You need a 45/64 drill bit. 45/64. Get it chucked up in your drill press. Hopefully you have better luck than I did, because I was drilling away at it and then it pulled the water pump out of the vise and it started pinwheeling it. Do that, and while you've still got it in a vise, or if you have a vise, hopefully you have a vise, you need a 1/2 inch NPT tap. Then you'll, of course, tap the hole you drilled. And that 45/64, it's not taking a whole lot of material off, but drill it. 45/64, 1/2 inch NPT tap. Let me step over here. I've got 2 water pumps. That one over there on the drill press was like my tester, see if it was feasible, and it is. Then you've got your water pump. Where are the ports? So there's the ports on this one. This one still does the heater core bypass to the thermostat housing. And of course there is the heater core one. This is the heater core one. This is the thermostat housing bypass. Let's see, let me get the plug out of my pocket. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. Then you're gonna get of course, 1/2 inch NPT, and you're gonna need one of these with the hex key. I think it's called a hex plug, 1/2 inch NPT hex plug. And then it just see if I can do this one-handed. Am I going to be able to left-handed? I'm right-handed, so I'm kind of gimp with my right hand or left hand. I promise it fits, y'all. Alright, I'm going to switch hands, and gosh, I don't know. Y'all are probably like motion sick. Okay, there it goes. Threading in, bam. Heater core bypass, or heater core tubes blocked off. Then you can do away with your heater core tube on your intake. And of course you'll need a 1/2 inch NPT for your intake too, but I've got one of those over there in it. And that's how you modify your, I'm not going to say all Ford water pumps, but at least one for a 96 to 2000 Ford Explorer with a 5 liter. It's probably going to work on, I'm going to say most of your serpentine stuff. Fox body, SM95, probably F150, E150, stuff like that. But that water pump's off, like I say, 96 to 2000 Ford Explorer. So now I've got that blocked off. The only reason I did that is I didn't want to have to put a hose on there and clamp it, then stick like a bolt into the hose and then clamp that. That's not a very clean look. Nothing against if you do that, just I didn't want to do it. And I wish I had a stainless plug to go in, but got what I got. If you're ever in Dalton, I got the drill bits in the tap. Drill bits and tap over at Bearden Industrial. It's over in Dalton, or in Dalton, Georgia, Whitfield County, Georgia. Didn't catch the fella's name over there, but he said he would check out my YouTube channel. So if you're on here checking out my YouTube channel, and I bought a 45/64 and a 1/2 inch NPT drill bit from you, and I told you my channel was Blind Luck Mechanic, hit me up in the comments. Let me know your name, Phil. I appreciate you helping me out that day, and that's how you do it, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.